3, 2, 1.
Alright, so winterizing pool kit in a bag. About $100 investment here. So what we got here is the Pool Cover 1000. Comes equipped with this thingamajigger here. And this thingamajigger here to crank the thingamajigger.
That's a whatchamacallit.
Oh, the whatchamacallit. Alright. So, where's the pillow? Didn't it come with a pillow? So, the Pool Cover 1000 is supposed to come with a pillow 2.0. Is this, will you make this the pillow? Clean water, clean debris, blah blah blah, 24 hours. Open the plug and place the capsules into the pool. Release the plug. Alright, and we just drop this guy facing down in the pool. I tried to rotate it.
You flipped it. You didn't rotate it.
It'll be fine.
How is it gonna drain? It's gonna sit like that all winter.
You think your arm is long enough to get that?
Sometimes.
Yeah, it's just gonna. This one don't want it. There you go. There you go, buddy. All right. So don't just throw them in. Place them in. Get you one of these grabber out of the pool 1000s. I went ahead and disconnected the entire filter system. We're going to keep that closed for the whole winter. We're probably going to upgrade for next summer. See. So this is why you don't let the freaking wife just... We have an 18-foot pool. She orders a 16-foot top after all of this work. So let's just go to Harbor Freight and get a $100 freaking tarp now. If not, we're going to have to do all of this all over again. So, 18-inch pool, 18-foot pool equals 22-inch tarp. So this is the results. Not waiting for her to order another one. Just gonna figure it out the hard way. Alright. Keep going. Watch it.
Insulated with foam. You don't get that many, so.
A lot bigger than what we need. It's a lot bigger than what we needed. What? So this is the end result here. Resulted in some good old Harbor Freight clips and a good old Harbor Freight top. So get a little roll method here. I'm gonna figure out something better to do to kind of get this better, but yeah, should be good to go. Should be nice and waterproof. But yeah, I'm gonna do something to wrap this around a little tighter. Not sure what yet, but yeah, should be good and winterized. This is a couple weeks later. I learned some valuable lessons. First lesson is this. Instead of rolling it up this way, I'm gonna roll it up the inside way, because as you see, when it rains, it gets little pockets of water in there. The other thing is that. So, got something for that. You see the water's still pretty clear. Get around this thing somehow. Shove it under there. And trying to get it in the center is going to be a little difficult. Alright, so this is what we came up with. It was a little bit challenging getting that ball in there in the center. So yeah, cut off a little extra shrapnel here. But yeah, this is the finished result. So hopefully now all the rain runs down. Went ahead and cut the residuals so nothing should pile up, which means might have to get a new tarp next year. But yeah, so that's the end result there.